Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Wyze Room Sensor and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this sensor is not working for some reason, maybe it's not connecting to the app, or it's not syncing or pairing properly with Wi-Fi, or anything like that, can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box so that you can set it up like it's a brand new device. We can go ahead and do this really simply. All we need to do on this device is to press and hold the button on the top of the sensor for about 5 seconds, just keeping an eye on the display here. And on the display, it should, if this works, it should show up and say 188 across the display here, 188. Once you see that 188, you can go ahead and release the button, and it should go back to the normal room temperature and humidity display, at which point it's ready to be set up again as though it were just coming out of the box as a new device.